This is a delicious one-pot meal, Jamaican style, full of coconut milk flavor, and the end result is a must try. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, just keep on watching. Delicious. 1 pot callaloo and saltfish meal, and first step we're going to do is put our saltfish to boil to get rid of most of the salt. So while our saltfish boiling, let's get a run through of all the other ingredients. Here is my cornmeal dumpling dough I already prepped. Here's my coconut milk ready to go. Here I have my callaloo. This was clean, washed and cut and freeze. And we have some okra. In here we have carrot, onion, we have scallion, thyme, garlic. We're going to get a full deep dive of all this in a bit. And we have yam and green bananas, and our season that we're using is a complete seasoning, dry thyme, even though we have regular thyme, pepper, garlic and onion mix. So welcome back to the channel. To my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official member of the family. So now we're just going to add our coconut milk to our pot and allow that to come to a boil. Then we can start adding the rest of ingredients. But in the meanwhile, let's prep the fresh ingredients. So here we have our carrots, our onion, portion of the bell pepper, red and green, and we have our garlic cloves. So we're going to prep these. Let's prep the onion first. And this all prepped, so let's put it in a container, and here you are. So the next preparation is to wash and cut the head of these okras. We have our fresh season, our okra, our dumpling dough, our callaloo. So our coconut milk boiling. So now we're going to add our dumpling. Then we can peel our banana and yam. This is a fast 1 pot meal. And we're just going to make some nice petite dumplings. I don't want them bigger than this. I'll just continue with this style. Just some nice petite dumpling we need, like this. Yeah, we'll come back. These are what we're working with. So now we're just going to add them to the coconut milk. And then we can peel our banana and yam. Then we add our callaloo. And we add the rest of ingredients. It's time to peel our bananas, and I'm going to add a bit of oil that prevents from staining my hands and even the container. So we're going to peel these and add to the pot. So just continue watching. Use some coconut milk powder because the liquid wasn't enough. So now we're going to let this heat up a bit, then we peel our yam. We're going to peel this 2 pieces of yam. Just in time, our pot boiling back again. So we're going to add our yam. Then we can stir this. After a few minutes, then we're going to add our callaloo and our carrots. And then after a couple of minutes after that, we're going to add the rest of seasonings. Okay, so continue watching. This one we used to call it Pakasa, but it didn't have the callaloo inside. So I don't know what you were growing up, they used to call this Pakasa. So we cover this halfway and let it continue cooking. Here we still have our saltfish too boiling because it's a bit salt. This is the second water I've changed, but it's a bit salt, so we're going to let this boil for a couple of minutes, then we throw off the water. We still need some salt because if you notice, we didn't add salt to our pot. Okay guys, I'm going to add the carrots. and our callaloo at this moment. We're doing it step by step. Let's add our frozen callaloo. Stir this well, and then we'll come back when there's another step to be explained. But just continue listening to the music and watch me as I cook. Catch you in a bit, guys. Here's what we're looking at after 10 minutes. Yeah, you see the coconut coming together. We're going to add the rest of our seasoning. Our okra. Our thyme and scallion. My pot is small, but I'm working with it. So now we're going to add some seasoning. We're going to add some dry thyme flakes, even though we add the fresh thyme, some garlic powder mix, season this up nicely. Some complete season mix. Remember, we didn't add salt, some pepper, the last thing we're going to add is our saltfish. This smells so good already, guys. Now it looks like Pakasa. Add our saltfish pieces, stir well, then we're going to allow this to just simmer and low heat for 3 minutes so the okra can steam. Then this is ready. This is the finished dish, guys. We have our yam, we have our saltfish, our okra, our nice petite caramel dumpling, our banana, and this tastes so good, guys. This is the texture. Nice one pot meal. This is a real Pakasa, guys. Nice one pot meal. Very healthy. Yes, good food, guys. So here we have come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy this one, and tell me in the comment section if you will or if you have ever tried this recipe. And with all that being said, please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And please check out my channel memberships for extra perks and updates and new videos. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.